Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch about halfway through. Now stop right there because this gives us good access to the lights. To get the lights out, you don't really need any tools. You can use your fingers and your thumb to get it out. What you have to do is you have to push it towards the center. Same process for the left and right lights. For now, let's just focus on the right side one. So push it towards the center, slide it, and then while it's pushed towards the center, you gotta lift it up. Let's get a closer look over here. Push it towards the center and then lift it up at the same time, and it's out. If you want, you can use a flathead screwdriver for this part, but up to you. Once it's out, you may have to wiggle it. It's gonna take a few seconds, so just be patient with it, but you'll be able to just get it out of there. It comes out with relative ease. And there it is. Now grab the light with the other hand, just twist the bulb holder left to loosen it and get it out. There it is. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come right out. There's the bulb. The bulb replacement size is 168 or 194 or T10. Again, 168 or 194 or T10. Get the new bulb and align it with the pins over there and push it in, and now it's in place. Put the bulb holder back into the light. Make sure it sort of like drops in like that. See that it's sitting flush, it just drops in. Now just twist it right to lock it in place, and we are done. Now when you're putting the light back in the body, notice that side of the clip that goes to the center of the car, like towards the inside. That's the proper position. Get it in there and push it in. You may have to sort of slide it in a little bit while you're pushing in, but it's gonna drop in. Once it drops in, it's not going anywhere. Let's repeat the process for the left side light. Again, you gotta push it towards the center of the car, slide it out, and it's out. Yep. Twist the bulb holder left. There's the bulb. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. It's the same bulb, 168 or 194 or T10. Again, 168 or 194 or T10. That's the bulb replacement size. Align it and push it in over there. Get the light. Put the bulb holder back in. You gotta make sure it's sitting flush, like it sort of just drops right in like that. Yep, that's good. Now twist your right to lock it in place. And when you put in the light again, you gotta make sure that the clip part is towards the inside of the car, towards the center of the car. Align it over there. Apply some force downwards and sort of slide it. That way it just drops right in there. And that is good. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.